We're looking at the two flywheels for the Enjomor, and the new one is aluminum with the steel tire pressed on the outside and a single piece brass wedge, and the old one is cast, I think steel. I didn't actually go grab a magnet to see if it's magnetic. With a two-piece brass clamp. But there are a couple other differences. Number one is that the new one is a bit thicker, wider than the old one, and that means that this piece sticks out pretty far for the clamping part. The other big difference is the weight. The new flywheel is 280 grams and the old one is 366. So the new one is roughly 85 grams lighter than the old one, and I didn't take both the old ones off, but the other new one is 86 grams lighter. So there's, is it, yeah, 366 and 86. I can write this down and do some math to put in the description. So, all right. So, the new one here is about 13.9, 14 millimeters wide, and the old one is 13, so it's a whole millimeter wider. And then this, because it's solid, that's 13.5 millimeters for that whole section there, and this is only 14 to the inside, but the big solid part is only about 11 millimeters. And then this machined face is, what, 7.5, but this tire machined face is 8 on the new one. So the new one does have, because it's wider here, it's got more mass on the outer rim, but this old one has more weight total. So I'm sure they'll both work fine. It's just interesting to see the differences.